Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Smith, the Smith in the Black with the Strat Time Report. And what can I say when you're hot, you're hot? And I make a video every night. And last night I made two because I got the Strat Time Report. So hopefully you're following along on the YouTubes because what did he say and what happened? Well, let's start off with the SPY and the broader averages like we always do. And so doing nothing. It gaps up into the highs and then comes in SPY right now 37 cents, but right on the day in conflict. We know for the week it's almost doing nothing, and so it's been a stock pickers, if you will, or story stocks is what we've been saying, except for a few themes that I'm going to get to in just a second. QQQ, a little bit weaker here, so we had that outside day yesterday, all right, and we took that out a little bit, still handling an inside week, and if you go to the month, yep, it's a doji doing nothing. Opens at 366.28, so it's down 40 cents. Right now, trying to go back inside and up off the 15er. If we go to the Dow Jones Diamonds, Dow Jones Diamonds a little better. They get more of them smokestackers for infrastructure. So, but here on the 60, you'll see this. The inside bar pokes down. Now, this would be RevStrat back to the upside here. The next hour over 354.60. You're close, so we'll see what goes on over there with that. And it's, of course, small cappers. Small cappers doing nothing. Inside week, inside month, and we know that it's doing nothing. So one of the things I say is one can make a very good living off the gap list that I tweet out in the morning, just doing the 30s and 60s. If you go to UPST, 2 up by gapping higher than this. Inside bar, boom, down she goes, and that was a nice quick $6 down into here. Now you got a new 60. Did I say to mind that new 60? Yeah. So even if you covered it here, that short was below 164.33. So even at this point, you got $3 right off the flip. But it did go down about 6 from that to here. So just minding all that kind of stuff is good. And I get this question a lot too. It's like, Rob, can I go short this even though the month is green and the week is green? I'm like, you can. Because when you have a gap, that might be it. The buyers might have dried up. They might have that might be it. I mean, they just gapped it up and paid up, right? But another good thing about this is once you get that 60 here green, now you got 3/4 green. You can take this both sides. So maybe because of this big range, you might get another inside 60 to keep an eye on. And then we call that country and western. Get it on the short side, get it on the long side. So one of the things I talked about over the weekend and last night and yesterday was a lot of sectors have been going back and forth, except for one. Financials, FAS. FAS right now inside on the 60. And one of the things I talked about last night was that the reason the Strat Attack show is on a Tuesday is because I want to see what they do on Monday and do they come back and do it again on Tuesday, all right? Because if you're going to be up 5 days in a row, you got to be up 2 first. FAS, Monday, takes out the highs. Tuesday, takes out the highs. Is that something I'd want to know about? Sure is, because they came back in right again one more time. Because we know this, monthly, outside bar, 2 down, 322. Where's it going? Rob, going to take this out. What's that? 112.20. I'm sorry. 126.65. What's the high? 126.60. 5 cents to go. So we're looking to take that out, especially if you can take this inside 60. Tells us to look at XLF. Hey, what's going on here? Another inside 60. Up on a Monday. Up on a Tuesday. Boom, Wednesday. Where's it going, Rob? Outside bar. Pokes down. What's the high of this? 38.60. Boom, target. Get it. And so that tells us to look at JP Morgan. JP Morgan. Where do we like this? Anytime this month over 159.16, right? Is it there? It is. And was it high on Monday? Higher high on Tuesday? Yep. And they're back. Boom. Thanks for playing. Citicorps. Outside bar. Pokes down. Boom. 322 reversal. Over 71.21. Did we know about that? We did. Was it outside bar on a Monday? Came back and bought them on Tuesday, and they are back. Wells Fargo. Inside month to the upside. Do we know about that? Sure did. Still good? Yep. because it took out the highs on a Monday, took out the highs on a Tuesday, and guess what? They're back. Now inside on the 60. Bank of America. Here. Were we looking for this? Yep. 41.70. And there she blows. Took out the highs on a Monday. Took out the highs on a Tuesday. Guess what? They're back again on Wednesday. Thanks for playing Goldman Sachs. There we go. Higher high on a Monday. Higher high on a Tuesday. They're back on the inside month and up, and that tells us here, once again, inside bar, pokes down. This would be rev strat to the upside over 413.40. That tells us keep an eye on Morgan Stanley. Higher high on a Monday. Higher high on a Tuesday. Guess what? They're back again. That's what we want to know. This is what we're tracking, right? Also would be rev strat here over 103.28. So all that kind of stuff working. You go down the chain here. You got Aon coming up here. Insurers just went inside 60 up. That's an outside month to the upside, 3-2 and Chubb. And so a whole bunch of financials here doing their job. Chubb inside in the 60 right now. MetLife here. Boom. Still going. Once again, 2-2 reversal month. 2 down, 2 up. And so you're seeing that. You hear me talk about a simultaneous break. And one of the good things about this is a monthly simultaneous break. Almost every financial is breaking back to the upside, right? That's good. That tells us that they are buying financials across the board, right? That's something I'd want to know about. If we go to W, did I talk about that? I did. 2 down week. Boom. 2-2 reversal week here. Above 285. Trading 303.93. Trying to go 2 down, 2 up by taking out the highs. 2 down. And now boom. Here. Over 303.54. Looking to take this out. 305.24 and becoming out. These two would become an outside bar of that in W. John Deere. Did I talk about that? I did. Inside month and up. You got infrastructure. Here we come. Inside month to the upside. John Deere. Right? Outside bar on a Monday. Buy them on Tuesday. And they are back on a Wednesday and an inside 60. How about Cat Tractor? Did we talk about that one? I think we did. Here we go. Inside week to the upside, right? 2-2 reversal on a Tuesday. Here, 2 down on Monday, 2-2 reversal. Reversal still good. Taking hold here. Now, once again, looking for this on the month. 219.79. You're almost there, right? That would give you the monthly reversal. Cat Tractor. URI. URI. Inside month to the upside, right? So still good. Looking to take this out. 354.60. Right now going 2 up, 2 down. Boom. 2-2. We're going to look to take this out on this 60. So long as it's above 350.85, we're going to take this out. 351.99. If we go to edit. Edit, nice mover here, just taking out some more highs, it's marching through here. Nice long green bars is what we like, so you can keep an eye on that. If you go to letter U. Letter U. Okay, letter U. Red bar, reversal. 2 down by taking out the lows, and boom, 2-2 reversal coming up on a gap. Taking out that 60. Inside month to the upside, that's good for the rest of the month. Let's get to some more fun on the downside. What did he say about the downside? Moderna. Did I talk about that? I did. Why? Slight higher high on the daily. Right? That's a 2 up, but you closed near the lows, which makes you closer to a 2 down. And since we know outside bars exist, that's a 2-2 reversal. These 2 bars become an outside bar of all this. Moderna down 16% and still puking, which also changes that week red. Right? That's real nice, isn't it? Did I talk about Roku? I think I did. Why would I talk about Roku? Because Roku is a 2-2 month reversal to the downside. Takes out the highs. Boom. Right here. Below 391.18. Trading 366.95. Not bad. Roku. Still good on that monthly. Did I talk about watching SMH? I did. Why? It's SMH coming in, right? Taking out the lows. Taking out the lows on a Monday, took out the lows on a Tuesday, and they're back selling here. And if that works, you're going to get the 2-2 reversal on the week and change that month red. Now trying to firm up off the 60, but did we talk about MU? We did. Why we talk about MU? Because MU, outside bar, just like the financials, only the other way. Outside bar, poke up, boom, 322 downside here below 77.47. All right, now we'll see if we can get some more of that. Talk about LRCX. I did. Why? Because it's a 2-2 reversal on the week here. Right? What'd they do? They had an outside bar on a Monday and they clobbered it on a Tuesday. Did they come back? They did. Boom! Down she goes looking for an outside month in LRCX. If we go to Humana. And Humana. Bunch of stuff stuck in here, but we knew here on the month. 2 up, but closer to being a 2 down. Boom, 2-2 reversal on the month coming down. Stuck down in a little bit, and you can watch ANTM with that. Here, having some problems here, taking out last week's lows, 2 up, 2 down. Also that on the month, so these guys having some problems. We go to XLV. XLV having some issues here coming in, not totally getting killed, but watching this weekly here. Below 130, 194. So it's just sitting right real close to that. Did I talk about EXAS? I did. Why? Because it's an inside month to the downside. Did they hit it on a Monday? Yep. Took out the lows. They do it again on Tuesday? Yep. Did they come back today? They did. Trying to firm up a little bit on the 60, but we'll see. If we go to ABMD, and ABMD just, woof, look at that, inside day puker on Tuesday. Did they come back? They did. Takes out the week to the downside. Now firming up a little bit on the, it's on the flip here. It's WIX on the gappers getting slaughtered here. And we'll see. Now that's starting to firm up a little bit. But you got that inside month to the downside. That was some nice puking here. I think you had to go down to a 15er to get your inside 15 and down. That's your continuation right here below 221. Got down to what? 207. Not bad. Plenty of room in there to make some money off of that. If we go to Palo Alto. Did I talk about that? I did, because of the inside day. The inside day on a Monday. Boom, on Tuesday. All right, did they come back? They did. All right, so yeah, that's something you'd want to know about. Right, so all this stuff, follow along, because I make the videos every night, and there they are. BNTX. What's this? Slight higher high, then close near the lows. That sets up the compound 3. These 2 bars be coming outside of this stuff, right? Did. Yep, and then you can wait for the what? Triangle the out. Here, 2 up. There's your 2-2 reversal. These guys become an outside bar of all that, and back to the low she goes. If we go to TWLO. TWLO. Did I draw this try for you to keep an eye on in a video? I did. There's your broadening formation. Did it take care of business? Yep, sure did. Right there. And keep an eye on this Twitter one too. That I drawed for ye. Gonna go take these guys out. What's this here? 64.65. What's the low? 64.63. It did it by 2 cents. Therefore, you can redraw at the end of the day, because this is your lower low now, right? That's why you want to pay attention to this stuff, because if that works, below here, 64.65, then you go 2 months to the downside, right? Right now, things just kind of stabilizing, as we've seen in this summary market, that a lot of action happens at the beginning, and then maybe you get some, position scoring towards the end of the day. Another thing that's going on here is it's Wednesday, right? What else do we watch on a Wednesday? Crude oil number. Is crude coming up? It is. Still an inside day, but it's coming up. And so you guys want to pay attention to the energies. Can be a little boring, but on a Wednesday, they got news, right? They got news. So you've got your OIH. Did this. Inside 60 to the upside. 212. How about XLE? There you go. Inside bar, back to the upside. All this kind of stuff. It's not that hard, folks. Just follow along. What do you say, STLD? What you doing here, buddy? Boom. Did I talk about steel? I did. Yep, sure did. How's X doing? Okay. Sometimes you miss, sometimes they don't always work, but sometimes they do. And when they do, it's good. All right, that's going to do it for today. I'm Rob Smith, the Smith Black, with the Strat Time Report.